The entire concept of black holes has raised many questions with scientists, and many theories have been developed as a result. The astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson believes that black holes are more like deadly regions in space, rather than deadly objects in space. He also believes that anyone who would enter a black hole would be ripped apart atom by atom. Astrophysicist Stephen Hawking believes that black holes do not destroy everything they consume, but they rather fire out energy and matter in a mangled form, which would mean that all the information in our universe can never be destroyed. Learning about black holes is interesting, and it definitely opens the mind to new possibilities and to new theories, as well as allowing an individual to expand their knowledge of the universe. So why is it called a black hole? What is a black hole? And how do they work? The term black hole was coined in 1967 by astronomer John Wheeler. Black holes are called black holes simply because light cannot escape them. Light is the fastest stuff in our universe, and it travels at 299,792,458 meters per second. Black holes are collapsed pieces of our universe where time and space as we know it cease to exist. All that identifies a black hole is a great gravitational force. There are many different types of black holes, even though they are all identical. Only 3 characteristic properties belong to black holes to set them apart from one another. Their mass, which is all the stuff they are made of, their spin, which is how fast they rotate around an axis, and their electrical charge. The 2 main types of black holes are stellar mass black holes, which are smaller, and supermassive black holes, which are larger. Black holes can range greatly in size. Scientists have discovered black holes that are a mere 6 miles wide, compared to a black hole that is the size of our entire solar system. A black hole has been discovered in our very own Milky Way galaxy, but it does not compare to the billion solar mass black hole that lurks in the galaxy M87. There are so many black holes in our universe that it would be impossible to count them all. According to the Hubble website, there are no known black holes that are close enough to Earth that would pose a threat. Sometimes, black holes will even collide with one another, creating an even larger black hole. But this happening is not fully understood by scientists. How are black holes formed, and how do we even know they exist? According to the NASA website, we are able to know that black holes exist through X-ray emissions. When matter is pulled toward a black hole, it gains kinetic energy and heats up. Once these atoms reach a few million Kelvin, they emit X-rays that can't be seen. In the mid-1990s, the Hubble Space Telescope proved the existence of black holes by measuring the whirlpool motion of stars, dust, and gas around them. A black hole is born when an object collapses on itself. Many objects like our Earth and our Sun do not have a great enough gravitational force to ever become black holes. Black holes grow in mass by capturing objects that are near them. Some people think that they are like a vacuum and suck up everything in sight, but this is not true. Black holes can only pull in matter that is very close to them. It was long thought that black holes were impossible to destroy, but Stephen Hawking has proven this theory wrong. His idea, called Hawking radiation, states that black holes eventually vanish because they lose mass through particles. So what is inside of a black hole? There are many myths when it comes to what exactly is inside of a black hole. Some people believe that black holes are wormholes, which are used for time travel to faraway places. But this, of course, is science fiction. Another myth is the thought that the sun will someday turn into a black hole and consume the Earth. But like I said earlier, the sun is not capable of turning into a black hole because its gravitational force is not great enough. Even if the sun did turn into a black hole, the Earth is too far away from it to be consumed. We cannot glimpse inside of a black hole because we would be ripped apart. But the theory is that all the matter inside of a black hole is piled up in the center, but scientists still do not completely understand how this central singularity theory works. If you were trying to observe something being pulled into a black hole, it would look like it was frozen in time. An intense gravitational field slows the flow of time, and this is called a light decay trade. Black holes have become less of a mystery over the years, and we are still learning more about them. We have come from thinking that a black hole is a wormhole to now realizing that they do not completely destroy matter. There will always be more to learn about black holes and the universe. This quote by Stephen Hawking suggests just that. I do not believe we will ever reach the end of our quest for a complete understanding of the universe. And in a way, I am glad.